Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the LED timer light. So let us see the components required. We need a breadboard, one Arduino Uno board, an LED and some connecting wires. So let us do the connections. So we will place the LED on the breadboard. Connect its positive terminal to pin 3 of the Arduino and the negative terminal to the ground pin of the Arduino. Our connection is done. So in this project we will create a light that will automatically turn on for a fixed amount of time and then switch off by itself. This will help us to understand the timing functions like delay, work in Arduino and how microcontroller can perform actions based on time. So after we have done the connection, now we will upload the code.
We will discuss the code. So first we have created an integer variable LED pin and we have assigned pin 3 to it since in pin 3 the LED is connected. Then we have created a string variable input and we have kept it empty. So this will later store the value the user enters. Then we have created one more integer variable timer seconds to calculate the number of seconds. Now inside the void setup we have given serial.begin to initialize the serial communication with the baud rate of 9600. Then we have declared the LED pin as output and we have written enter time value in seconds to ask the user the number of seconds the user want the LED to turn on. Then inside the void loop we have written if serial.available to check if the user has entered any value in the serial monitor, and then if the user has entered any value we will store it in the input variable. So we have written input equal to serial.read string until /n. So this will read the entire line, and then we have given input.trim to remove any new line spaces. Then we have given if input.length is greater than 0. That means if the entered value is greater than 0, then we will convert that value into integer and then store it in the timer seconds variable. Now if the timer seconds is greater than 0, that means if the user has given value greater than 0, then we will print that value in the serial monitor and turn on the LED. Now to keep the LED turned on for that particular amount of time, we have to give a delay, and inside the delay we have multiplied timer seconds into 1000 since 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. So multiplying the value with 1000 will keep the LED turned on for that particular period of time. Then after the delay we have turned off the LED, and then we have given else serial print invalid input enter a positive number if the user has given any other number or any negative number. And lastly again we have asked the user to enter the number of seconds. So this is all about the code. So once our code is done, we will click on tools, we will select the board as Arduino Uno, we will click on port and select the required port and then click on the upload button. Then our code will be uploaded to the Arduino board.
Now we will show you the output. So here I have opened the serial monitor and it is asking me to enter the seconds. So here I will enter the seconds for which I want my LED to be turned on. Let me enter 2 seconds. You can see the LED has turned on and after 2 seconds it has turned off. Now if I give again like 5 seconds, if you turn on for 5 seconds it will turn off. See, it has turned off. So this is how the output of this project is. So we are able to turn on the LED for a particular amount of seconds. So thank you.